Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to talk about HTML paragraphs and how you can write HTML paragraphs. Okay, I have a picture on this here and you can write. Now let's do it practically. I'm just going to delete my previous lecture and write. Just save. There is no anything else, it's empty. And when you want to write any paragraph, then you have to paragraphs tag short form is v and write starting and ending tag. I'm just going to write here, and this is my paragraph example. Just save this one. Just save. This is my paragraph example. And when you write another anything else, then I want to write okay, I'm just going to arrange this one line, another paragraph. This is my another paragraph. Then save, and this is the paragraph, and you can write your paragraph like this one. If you want to anything break in any line, then you want to think that you want to break br, you want to get any break, then you'll get a space. This is there, this already got another line, so you can use this one. So thank you so much and see you on next video.